Okay, I know my last time video that I react of Eric Chien, his audition American Got Talent, because I tried to do something new, and this time I'm gonna put like half his performance on the American Got Talent of his performance. I'm not gonna post his intro or his judge comment. So yeah, now I want to do something new. I start running idea performing some magic for y'all. So, oh yeah, you already saw my 2 vlog of trip to Vegas. That I just start something new. So those are my first time doing vlog. So yeah, part 3 gonna come out. So stay tuned for that. So today I'm gonna react on the phone, and I'm gonna show y'all his performance, and I'm gonna react. Okay, so here you go, and enjoy my reaction. Oh, and plus his intro, spoiler, his intro said that last year winner of the American Got Talent absolutely was Chien Lim. Okay, he feeling so nervous. Hey Eric, don't feel nervous. Okay, you got this. Okay, just believe in yourself. Okay, don't think about anybody else. Don't think about being the new Chien Lim, new Chris Angel, or anybody, the magician. You can be for yourself, and you can have your own show in Vegas. I believe in you, Eric. Alright, I'm gonna start the reaction. I'm gonna screen record. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Alright, and clickly clack. I'm gonna put the screen right here and clickly clack. 1, 2, 3, and here we go.
Now, there's a saying that imagination is the only weapon in a war against reality. How powerful is our imagination really? Now tonight, I'd like to test this out. Jay, can I borrow your hand?
My hand? Yes.
Yes.
There you
Perfect.
Okay.
I'll place 4 coins in your hand.
go. Alright.
4 coin on his hand.
Now, close your hand. With your other hand, I want you to imagine just placing 1 coin into my hand.
Okay.
Perfect. Now, that was
There's
all
still
just part of
4.
your imagination, right?
Alright.
But if you really believed it, you will see it will become reality. There's a coin in my hand, but if you slowly open yours, you see there's only 3 coins left.
Wait, there's 4 and now there's 3? Oh my goodness, Eric. I don't know how you do this.
Very good.
I'd like to take this a little further.
You feel nervous. I could tell. Okay, there's a white card. You're drawing something. Okay, a circle. What? He changed to a real coin. Oh, that's my favorite part. Disappear. Kill it, Eric. Reappear. Disappear. Okay, you have 2. 3 on his right. Oh my goodness. Okay. How? How did he switch it? He did it again. Kill it, Eric. Kill it. Disappear. Okay, you have nothing in his hand. You roll his sleep. Wait a minute. How?
Jay, can I borrow your hand?
Oh, why the
Yeah.
judge not being
Here,
fooled?
don't. Everyone, come closer. Watch.
Simon going like this. Disappear.
It back into ink. But not only that, you can see everything was just part of your imagination.
What?
This.
How? How you got them disappear all the coin plus the Sharpie and the card? And all the coin changed to ink. Alright, I'm not gonna show y'all the judge comment because I feel like I'm not gonna get a copyright. So, yeah. So that's it, y'all. Thanks for watching my reaction.